presentation. So now we'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. And we'll be sticking around after if you want to talk more personally with us. And also just wanted to note that these booklets contain information about all of the fourth year design projects for our class this year, and our design symposium will be in just a couple of weeks. Thank you.
Students are very happy to take any questions that you may have. Please, anything. Actually, anything that you're interested in. Yes?
For the students, I'm just curious, your first year, what were your biggest stressors? Was it time management? Was it course load? Was it just being away from home?
Yeah, I think that's a great question. To start, yeah. I honestly fundamentally believe that time management is the most important skill to getting through this degree. At least that's how I feel. Like we talked about, the academic support is really there for you. What's overwhelming is the fact that you're taking 5 courses, there's weekly assignments, there's midterms, there's finals, like everything's just going on, and you really need to find a way to balance that. So I thought I was good at that coming in. I think I've gotten better over the 5 years. I think I've learned how to learn and how to maximize the output or return on the time that I invest. But I definitely think it's an important skill, and everyone has their own way of managing their time. I live by my calendar. Some people hate calendars, but I think it is worth kind of investing time into figuring out what time management strategies work best for you so that you're able to feel a little less overwhelmed with all the content that's thrown in.
Yeah, I mean, I think for me, one of the best things for getting through first year was just like the network of people that I made in my class, because if you are doing it alone, you're not gonna be able to get through it. I think it's so important to like be able to work through problems with people and get feedback, because it's not like the way that you get feedback, I think, is different from high school. So having a group of people that you can work with and also just feel your pain. Like you're not the only one going through it. First year's tough, and everyone feels that way.
And to note, by the way, the other students also answer, but something that facilitates that is the fact that it's a cohort system. And so the students come in and they'll have all their classes with the same set of students. They'll all be the management engineering students. And so from class to class, they'll all be experiencing the same thing, the same group of people. So that helps build the relationships a lot faster and the connections. Sam? Curtis? Oh, okay. All right. Other questions? Yes?
Do you guys have like a set number of seats, or is it
So how many people do we admit?
Yeah.
Basically, we aim to admit about 85 students. And so that's roughly what we send to the admissions people and say, please try to find the best 85 who will accept and get them here. And that's basically what we shoot for, yes. And we've had more and less over the years, so it's not a perfect science how you get the right exact number of people enrolled, but that's around the class size that we aim for now. Yes.
How many people are approximately in a cohort?
So your cohort is in,
Now it's 60.
but right at 60. The one we just did, so the students who are first year students in the winter term here, their cohort is running at like 89, 90 right now. A few too many people accepted the offers of admission, so we got a few too many. But so that's the class sizes have gone up over the years. The very first cohort 10 years ago ended up with about only 40 students in it. But so as the years have gone on, they've gotten larger and larger as the program has grown. Yes.
Do you guys recommend any certain, like I've taken economics at school. Is there any other courses that you or recommend that are like electives that would be helpful to this program?
I think that's best answered by you guys.
So one thing that I've found is that often, specifically like on co-ops especially, often the courses that you find aren't as challenging are the ones that I find more useful. Like, I never use calculus in work. That being said, it's obviously really important to get through the program, but for me, one of the most valuable courses that I took was mathematics of data management, which I think a lot of people in high school are like, oh, it's such a bird course, like, or relative to the math courses at least. But I think it has been so useful on so many courses. because we learn matrix manipulation. It's an intro to, like, sorry?
Is that like intro to the knowledge?
Yeah, intro to the knowledge, like data management, data science. Like there was a lot of things in that course that I think they just like introduce you to it. So you don't go too in depth, but I think that was super useful.
Does that help you through like first year?
Oh yeah, matrix manipulation. That was that was great.
I mean, I personally, I took computer science in grade 11 and grade 12. As we've mentioned before, they teach the first year programming course like you don't have any experience, so you are 100% okay to not have it. Do I think it helped me and made that course a little bit easier? Yes. So if you have the space, you're remotely interested in it, I think that could be useful.
I mean, my general feeling on high school preparation is that you should take the courses that you find interesting, that you need, that are required, and things along those lines. And all of it is good, but the reality is when you're hitting university, even if you're like, I did all this calculus, or I took the data course, you're going to find that things move very quickly, very fast, and you're going to realize that what you had before was a small amount compared to the amount of material that you'll cover quickly in a term here.